Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading Toolux. In this video I will be explaining all the shortcuts I use in the Smart Index tool version 2. So by this you can analyze the charts very quicker. Right now let me open Delta Neutral IV from the popular layout. Right now we are seeing 2 days of data. So this is the setting icon. Here you can see we have 2 days of data. We can change the time frame by clicking on this data as well. Right now we are seeing 5 days of data. So this gray color separator is the line between two different days. For example, this is today data and this is yesterday data and this is day before yesterday data. Each of the days is separated by the gray vertical line. Now this time frame also can be changed via shortcuts. So you can click the shortcuts and to see all the shortcuts. You can press shift 1 to 7 and you can also open the shortcuts window by pressing Q. For example, if you have any doubt, press the Q and it will open the shortcuts like this. Now let me press shift 1 to 7 and show you. Pressing shift 1, it loads 1 day data, shift 2, shift 3 and I am pressing shift 5 now. It is showing 5 days of data. And next thing is you can reset all the zooms by pressing the 0. Like if your chart is messed up, you just press the 0 to reset all your zooms like this. Next thing is zooming in and zooming out. There are lots of shortcuts to do zoom in and zoom out. First thing is simple zoom. You can just press the number 1 to 7 to zoom in and zoom out. Let me reduce the time frame of this chart to 2 days. Now to see the last 30 minutes data, I can just press 1. So if I press the 1, we can just see the last 30 minutes of data over here. And to see the last 60 minutes of data, you can just press 2. And for next 120 minutes, you can just press 3. So basically if you do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this, it just zoom in the last data for you. So this is useful to just analyze what is happening in the end of the day. Now to drag around the chart, you can just press Alt plus arrow keys. And for zooming and zooming out x-axis and y-axis, you can use shift key. If I press shift plus up arrow or down arrow, it zooms in and zoom out y-axis. And if I press shift left arrow and right arrow, it zooms in and zoom out y-axis. And for dragging the chart, you just press Alt plus arrow. So if you press the Alt key plus up arrow, it moves the chart up, and likewise down arrow. This is right arrow. Like this you can drag around the chart in any of the direction. And let us look into other shortcuts. We have many more shortcuts. For example, you can keep the full screen by pressing the F, and you can open the setting by pressing the S. You just press the Q and you can read all the shortcuts. Now on the top of this layout we have Nifty Neutral IV chart. If you want to open this window separately, click on this icon. So you just open the Nifty Neutral IV in separate window. Now if you want to open the Bank Nifty Neutral IV, click on this icon. So this is useful when you have multiple layouts. For example, if you have 8 different charts in single layout, it will be too much clumsy. So you click on this icon on the bottom left and it will open the chart separately like this, and you can analyze the chart. Now next thing is, like if you have multiple line charts like this, you can toggle the chart by clicking on this legend box on the top left. For example, if I click this, it hides a particular line chart, and if I want to show it back again, click on that legend box again. So you can toggle the line chart like this. If you have a single chart with multiple data, you can hide all those stuffs and you can analyze the charts in cleaner manner. Now let us look into different chart and different shortcuts. Let me open the main scalper setup. Many people when open this scalper setup, they feel confused, like there is lots of too much thing is going on. So one thing is, you just press the X button. If you look at the shortcuts here, hide all except zone by pressing the X button. So immediately if we press the X button, it cleans most of the unnecessary things. So now we'll press this zoom in, zoom out 1 to 7. I'll press the 1 key now. So it zoom out beautifully. So now the data looks more cleaner, and you can drag on the charts by clicking on the chart and dragging your mouse. And you can see here all the price action lines and the zones you will be able to see in the clearer manner. Right now here you can see the price is falling to the zone bottom and it is reversing. And you can take on the buy trade by looking into the scalper tool. And if you are a zone trader and if you want to look only the zones, you can also hide the long term price action by pressing the L and short term by pressing the K. So here you can see I press the L and only we are seeing the zones. And you can also toggle between the zones by pressing the Z, and if I press the Z, it hides all the zone. If I press the Z again, it enables the old zone as well. Again I press the H to hide the old zones. The shortcuts are given here, and you can also hide the zone separately by yesterday, today and day before yesterday. I'm hiding the today zone by pressing the T and again press it to enable back. I'm pressing U to hide the day before yesterday and press the Y to hide and show the yesterday zone. So these are all the shortcuts you can fully customize based on your setup. And if you want to trade in the cleaner manner, hide everything and just keep the long-term price action and the zones. And now if you want to analyze the global market, you can enable it by pressing the G. So if I press the G, it's adding the global market like this. So make sure the global chart is added as well. We can also toggle between different data like VIX, VWAP, IV, open interest, etc. So everything is in the shortcuts. So right now we can see the chart is looking clean and the market is bouncing clearly from this zone bottom support. Now we'll do basic analysis. If you look at the Nifty spot, the resistance has been broken and the market is going up, but in the Bank Nifty future we have some resistance. Still the price is below the resistance, and if you are getting red color signal in the scalper tool, you just book your profit of long. And this support also looking like breaking down, so it is in bearish position as long as there is a red in scalper tool. Now let us look how to create option charts quickly via shortcuts. Just press Shift plus B to open the Bank Nifty option explorer. So it opens all the strikes like this. You click on the multi strike to create the straddle chart. I'm creating straddle chart for 35,600 now. So you can customize this. You can press the next, change the color if you want, or just finish it and open the chart like this. So right now our 35,600 straddle chart is ready. So within few seconds we are able to create the chart like this. So basically you can create this chart automatically via the auto charts that has been explained in my option explorer video. But this shortcut is for creating any of the strike price, custom strike price by yourself. So similarly for the Nifty, press the Shift plus N and it opens like this. You can change the expiry if you want. And right now we can check the price of the call option here. Click on this left side and you can add any of the plugins here. I'm adding the IV, and you can just press the Shift plus F to finish the chart. You can see the chart has been created automatically. And finally in this video I will also explain how to create the smart open interest chart and zone chart, because many newcomers were asking doubt about that. So you just create any default chart. So type Nifty, let's change this to default chart, click on the next, choose any script, and in the add indicator section you search on the smart like this. You can add smart OI buildup or smart chart covering. So let me just show the zones and smart OI buildup now. So you can see the zones color here as well. If you want you can change the color. So if you open the chart, it will look something like this. Here you can see the call option OI buildup and the put option OI buildup has been added for the Nifty. And if the zone is looking clumsy, you can disable by pressing the Z and just enable today, yesterday or day before yesterday like this. And if you notice the call option, when the market was on the top, there was around 3000 lots of call option written and the market has been fell down. So this is how we can do OI analysis. That's it for this video. I have explained most of the shortcuts I use daily in the Smart Index 2. If you keep practicing daily, it will become familiarized for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates like this.